So please do not kill the messenger. This is the do not kill the messenger series. First things first, don't have a conniption fit. This is possibly pertaining to newly constructed houses in New York State. On February 28th, the State Fire Prevention Code Council's meeting to determine if they're going to pass a law that would require any new construction single or two family house, basically something that's created from the ground out. The requirement would be that it has to have sprinkler systems, which, on face sounds great. The pushback is the cost. On average, I've seen studies say that it's as much as $30,000 to $40,000. I've seen other things that say it's between 20 to 30, but the concern is that it will further drive up prices of newly constructed homes, which in New York State you have a lot of. In New York City you have some, Long Island you have some, upstate New York, but it's not like other states where there's a ton of new construction all the time. That being said, the current law is, as of 2014, if you're about to go into contract with the house that is not constructed, the builder is supposed to give you the option. Do you want to have the sprinklers installed or not? So that would be the difference. There's going to be no option. If there's new construction, New York State could mandate, hey, there has to be sprinklers. That cost will be passed along to the buyers in all likelihood. So just, let me know what you think. I mean, for me, I understand the idea of trying to protect people. I think I saw something that you're like 80% less likely to be injured if you have sprinklers, which is a huge number. And by no means about, for me, I know I would want one if I given the option. That being said, I do believe that it should be somebody's option when they're trying to purchase a property. Do they want the sprinklers or not? But let me know what you think. And once again, don't kill the messenger, and then don't, get really concerned if you have a house and you're like, oh my goodness, they're going to require that I, put in sprinklers. That is not the rule. It's pertaining to single and two family houses. And have yourself a good day. Go Knicks. We got injuries tonight, but I'm looking forward to tonight's game. Real estate wise, you need help with anything, I'm here for you. Take care. Do not kill the messenger series. I know you missed the do not kill the messenger series, but here we go again. First things first, please don't go nuts if you have a single family or two family house right now saying, oh, what do you mean I'm going to have to install sprinklers? No. On February the 28th, the State Fire Prevention Code Council, that's a tongue twister for you, is meeting to determine if they are going to basically change a law and say that any newly constructed single or two family house in New York State has to have sprinklers. Currently, the rule or the law is, as of 2014, before you go into a contract of sale, if the property is not already constructed, you have the option. The builder has to give you the literature. You have the option to say, yeah, I want a sprinkler system. No, I don't. That would change if this board meets and determines differently. It would be a requirement. Anything newly constructed, not renovated, not refinanced, nothing like that. Newly constructed from the ground up. In New York State, outside of the tri-state area, there's a lot more new construction. Other states, there's a ton more. You will have some things in Long Island, and you just have some investors or builders where they buy a lot and just build from the ground up. This could be a requirement. For myself, I understand. I think I saw a study that on average, first of all, the cost is, people are saying it could be 20,000 to 30 to 40,000, which is the concern, driving up the prices of already expensive real estate in the tri-state area. But the other study I saw was, I think you're 80% less likely to be injured by a fire with the sprinkler, which is a great number. I mean, safety is a paramount thing. For myself, I probably would be on the side of wanting to, go forward with it for myself. But that's the thing. I think it should be left that people have the option to either do it or not. And, for me, I think that that's the way it should be. But let me know what you think. And whatever side of the fence you sit on, I know it might sound corny, but contact your local legislator. Let them know how you feel about this. Say, hey, I'm for this, I'm against this, whatever have you. It's really important that you express what you think is in best interest for yourself, for the society, whatever have you. If you have any questions, please do let me know. I have a bunch of links about this, and have yourself a good day. If you're a Knicks fan, it's going to be a tough one. Our two buddies are hurt. Well, one was already hurt, but no Josh Hart again. But have yourself a great weekend. If you need anything, I'm here for you. Take care. That's too long.